Hi, my name is Avni, and in this video, I will demonstrate how to export your workflow on Dockstore to your Orcid account. First step is to link your Xenodo and Orcid account to Dockstore. To do so, click on My Account and scroll down. Click on Connect your Xenodo account. This will reroute you to its login page. You can log in using your GitHub, Orcid, or provide your email address and password. If you are new to Xenodo, you can sign up here. I will enter my email ID and password and then click Login. You will then have to authorize Docstore.org application, and that will connect your Xenodo account to Docstore. We will now do the same to connect the Orcid account to Docstore. So click on Create or Connect your Orcid account. This will redirect you to the Orcid sign-in page. Sign in using your email or the Orcid ID and then click on Sign in. Your Orcid account is now connected to your Docstore. Before going to the next step, also make sure that the email account associated with both Xenodo and Orcid is verified, as this may cause errors during the export. Now for the next step, click on your username and then on My Workflows. Select the workflow you want to export from the list of published workflows. Then navigate to the Versions tab, and for the version that you want to export, select the Actions drop-down box. Click on Export to Orcid. This will open the Export to Orcid wizard. Follow the steps on the screen. Note that a snapshot of this version will be created to ensure that the content reference does not change. Finally, click Confirm. You will now see a DOI next to the exported version of the workflow. Simply click on the link to view the workflow on Xenodo. You can now log into Orcid and scroll down to the Work section of your profile to see this workflow. Visit the Dockstore docs for more details. Link is in the video description box. Thanks for watching.